I'm sure you've heard the age-old saying, lead by example. And it sounds like great advice. I mean, I say it on this channel all the time. But the thing is, it could be one of the worst pieces of advice for you to follow. In this video, I'm going to explain why. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do that with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Assuming that after watching this video, you still intend to lead by example, you're going to need the confidence to do so. And to help with that, grab my free PDF on building confidence. So, what's the beef with leading by example, and why would I have the change of heart? Well, first of all, there is no change of heart. I still believe leading by example is the way to go. The thing is, a student of mine started implementing this and was surprised by what she saw as negatives. Now, after I share her perspective, just hang tight and let me flip the script and share how I see this. As my student acknowledged, when you lead by example, she felt an increased pressure and responsibility. When you lead by example, you are setting the standard for others to follow, and this can put a lot of added pressure to a manager, to a new manager, to always act in a way that others can emulate. She also acknowledged that there was more, or she felt more criticism and scrutiny. As a leader, you are setting a standard for others to follow, so you're likely to be subject to greater scrutiny and criticism when things go wrong, and things will go wrong. There's also high expectations. When others look at you, they look up to you as a role model, they may have high expectations of you, which can be absolutely difficult to reach, if not impossible. And there's also a huge potential for isolation. When you're leading by example, you may find that you are isolated from others as you're setting the standard that others may not be able to meet. There's also the potential for a loss of authenticity. When you're always trying to be a role model, you may find that you're not being your true self, which can result in a loss of authenticity, and it can affect your relationships with others. These are all valid. And if I'm honest, it's something I never really thought of in this way. I see it like this. Leadership is not about being the boss. It's about being the best version of yourself and setting the bar so that others can follow. And when you lead by example, you open doors to a world of benefits that not only elevates you as a leader, but it also elevates those around you. First and foremost, leading by example, it gives you the opportunity to inspire and guide others towards greatness. This isn't to say like, oh, I'm the greatest. No, but we're striving for greatness. And when you strive for greatness, other people kind of start to go down that path as well. When you set the bar high and you live up to your own standards, you show others what is possible, and you give them the courage and the motivation to strive for their own greatness. Leading by example also, it gives you the opportunity to improve and grow as a leader. By constantly striving to be a better version of yourself, you're pushing your limits, you're expanding your capabilities as a leader. And by sharing this growth journey with others, you not only show them what's possible, but you also are giving them the tools and the resources to improve themselves. On top of that, leading by example, it highlights the impact and influence that you have. When others see the positive changes that you make in your own life, when you're making in your own career, they are more likely to listen to your message and be motivated by your example. As you continue to lead by example, your impact and influence will only continue to grow. Another thing, leading by example, it leads to deeper, more connected relationships with those who share your values and those who share your goals. When you are genuine and you're true to yourself, you attract like-minded people, like-minded individuals who also share your passion and drive. And these relationships, they will not only just support you in your journey, but they'll also challenge and inspire you to reach greater heights. Understand this. As a leader, you have the opportunity not just to change your life for the better, but also the lives of those around you. Do not ever downplay that fact. Leading by example is a responsibility, and it's a gift that allows you to strengthen relationships, find your true purpose, and motivate those around you. If you're looking for ways to boost your confidence and become a more effective leader who is able to lead by example, watch this video as we go through a few steps, but also remember, in the description below, grab your free guide. By following the tips, you'll be on your way to making a huge impact. Get your coffee. I'll see you over there. Ciao.